Top 20 Strangest Creatures in the Deep Sea Water Wave Squid. Imagine a world where sunlight never reaches, a place of crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and creatures so bizarre they look like they're from another planet. This is the deep sea, Earth's last great frontier. Today, we're counting down the top 20 strangest creatures of the deep ocean. 20. Sarcastic fringe head. Found in the deep waters of the Pacific Ocean near California. At first glance, it looks quite ordinary, but when threatened, it suddenly opens its mouth, revealing a huge, brightly colored fan-like structure. This dramatic display is used to scare away predators or during territorial battles between males. Scientists often describe it as one of the strangest and most alien-looking behaviors in the ocean world. 19. Giant tube worms, Riftia pachyptila. Found near deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Can grow up to 2.5 meters long. Have no mouth or stomach, survive thanks to bacteria inside their bodies that convert toxic gases, like hydrogen sulfide, into food. 18. Blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus. A very small creature, about 3 centimeters, but stunning in appearance. Bright blue and alien-like in shape. Feeds on venomous creatures like the Portuguese man-o' war, storing the toxins in its body to use as a defensive weapon. 17. Blobfish. Considered one of the ugliest creatures in the world by scientists. Lives at depths beyond 800 meters, where pressure is extremely high. Looks normal in the deep sea, but when brought to the surface, it turns into a gelatinous blob due to pressure differences. 16. Giant acorn worm. A strange, tube-like creature that lives in burrows on the seafloor. Produces a slimy substance filled with methane and toxins. Its trails on the seafloor look eerily similar to tiny car tracks. 15. Ghost shark, Chimera. Not a true shark but a distant ancient relative. Has a partially transparent body with glowing green eyes. This lineage dates back more than 300 million years. 14. Zombie worm, Ostax. Has no mouth or stomach. Lives by feeding on bones at the ocean floor. Dissolves bones using special bacteria and absorbs nutrients through them. First discovered on the remains of a dead whale on the seafloor. 13. Deep-sea frogfish. A bizarre creature that looks more like a sponge than a fish. Can change its color to camouflage with its surroundings. Has fins shaped like hands that it uses to walk along the seafloor instead of swimming. 12. Deep-sea red devil squid. A type of giant squid living in the deep ocean. Its eyes are enormous, nearly the size of a basketball, the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. These massive eyes allow it to detect even the faintest traces of light in the abyss. 11. Black dragonfish. Small in size, about 15 centimeters, but terrifying in appearance. Has nearly invisible, transparent teeth. Females possess glowing organs along their bodies to lure prey. Uniquely, they can produce infrared light, a very rare ability among marine creatures. 10. Vampire squid. Don't let the name scare you, this creature isn't actually a squid or an octopus, but something in between. Living in oxygen-poor waters, the vampire squid uses glowing organs to survive in the dark. Its cape-like arms make it look like a creature straight out of a nightmare. 9. Anglerfish. One of the most iconic deep-sea predators. The female anglerfish uses a glowing lure on her head to attract prey in total darkness. With sharp teeth and a terrifying smile, she's the definition of beauty in the deep. 8. Viperfish. With long, needle-like teeth and a jaw that unhinges, the viperfish is a true monster of the abyss. It uses bioluminescent lights along its body to lure prey before striking with lightning speed. 7. Gulper eel. Sometimes called the pelican eel, this bizarre creature has a mouth larger than its entire body. It can gulp down prey much bigger than itself, making it one of the strangest predators in the ocean. 6. Barrel-eye fish. This alien-like fish has a transparent head, allowing scientists to see its tubular green eyes move around inside. It can look upward through its own skull to spot prey in the pitch-black waters. 5. Giant isopod. Imagine a massive underwater cousin of the pill bug you find in gardens. Giant isopods crawl along the seafloor and can survive for years without food. Their armored bodies make them look like ocean tanks. 4. Deepsteria enigmatica, jellyfish. Unlike normal jellyfish, this one has no tentacles. Instead, it looks like a giant, ghostly sheet. 3. Swimming sea cucumber, Enypniastes. Nicknamed the headless chicken monster, this creature looks like something out of science fiction. With a gelatinous, reddish body, it drifts gracefully while feeding on ocean floor sediment. 2. Mariana snailfish. This fragile-looking fish lives deeper than almost any other animal, surviving in the crushing depths of the Mariana Trench. Despite its delicate appearance, it thrives where few others can. 1. Newly discovered predator. In 2024, scientists discovered a terrifying new predator in the Atacama Trench. With a body built to kill, it's a reminder that even today, we are still uncovering creatures stranger than fiction. From glowing hunters to transparent-headed aliens, these deep-sea creatures remind us how little we know about our own planet. The ocean's darkest corners hide some of the weirdest and most fascinating life forms on Earth. Which of these creatures surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysterious and fascinating stories from the deep.